What's up guys, this is HD Signatures. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are well. Today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to apply your complexion based makeup at once and blend them out seamlessly. The reason for this is to eliminate layers and to have a really nice base looking like your skin. If this sounds like something you guys are interested in, definitely keep on watching. Bye guys. So guys, I already brought out all that I need for this application. This is for my contour, this is for my bronzer, and this is my skin, my complexion shade, and this is for highlighting, and this is blush. So these products here are from Black Copper foundation stick. This is Super Stay from Maybelline, and this is LA Colors Cover Pro Conceal with a little bit of lipstick shade that I normally use, so I mixed them up. So before going into doing that, I'm going to go ahead and have a mist. I've already done my skin, so I'm going to be going ahead to blend out the darkest shade first. This is what we use for our dark shade, so I'm going to be going ahead to blend out my foundation. And you see that having a separate brush to blend out each product is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and use this brush to blend out my highlighted area. So I'm using this brush to, to carve out my cheekbone. So I'm going to go ahead and use the brush we're using blending out our contour to further define the nose contour. I'm going to use the brush I use in blending out my foundation to blend out the blush. I really do not highlight my forehead anymore. And if you feel like you can still see some line, you can go ahead and use your beauty sponge to blend them out. But for me, I'm fine because I don't want the beauty sponge to take away from this coverage. After all this, you find that you still have some spots showing through. Just go to that area where you can still see that spot and spot conceal and blend out lightly. And that's all you have to do, guys. And that is what's up, and that is on period. Guys, if you like I'm not even wearing anything, go ahead and use a setting spray. Yeah, so using a setting spray, guys, don't worry about this, it's going to dry down. So guys, what do you think about this application technique? Let me know if you're going to be trying it out down in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.